so be dwonwme die so dia wo kansi ho sempa en sakena no pensu ja me dindi Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back the only nomenclature of professors degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunyana me kono quantum coding small do en sakena no pensu bio e wo Ghana agudie ejao ka kire busuanfo na fofo yere o ma ofasefo nananam ukrumu no mprafo na so bia alternative nanim na yemfa nkomo 8 mrew 1xbet madama womo ana techira bo medi dwumedi kese tense jao ye kan 1xbet no ultimate sampa bet ba ko a utwa ne befu odin befu utwa ne kuma bi so odin kuma asa no manum ka kire wo se obi a fa ne ho tensan jim na afi ehwe sebe a wiki unya Austin right there 1xbet betia bo a e ma niam atia kukuyi e dia mawo enti abusuan de japadi bisis ka ukọ eja hempa se nya hwe obetia tabiri na wakoton na afi de ketwa kwaje kese se betia bo a e ma setan atia kwe 1xbet no na mo beti afadwene kakraton na afi bet diwa oni betia prunsu utim betia hyehye wadwene betia bom entimsew na ode adwene kakra atia ton je fast message adro sitahwe infections adro gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na se dipo ade eboa prapra harawa na omre bom ma otimi di nchineche okọ herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops nema oso pe je fast message no ne adro ba kwa ebetimi agye nkwa sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel fu a pampas be pemo na ase ne doing etu ya udi ase enti bomoden da se won sabetia ka be kwa sha ma mi market enye na afetema so sabetia ka bi se utu akoton na se woto na de aye ho no obetia from 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll-on yentwetwe nkomo ehwem a ema niam enti yi emfama o madama wo mo na etechira boa ma ana no pensu dia wo kensim sempa en saka wadum tv so no etimi ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yesha se fa fi EPL Afientin tum ewon kraho fom dia na say the Black Princess of Ghana a national under 20 female side na competition kese bi ba so efense under 20 girls womo ewafo bi air competition na sajumedi no countries bebre na eba Kumasi Baba Sports Dome ne be host sajumedi no me no ka say die coach Yusuf Bazigi efiase tenten man se be a nyama betian sa to na akwamu na afisa competition de hujima yetime pija franka na ejina kunkun Ghana ebe compete Nigeria Cote d'Ivoire ene Benin Niger and afi Togo ene Burkina Faso e was akensi we the first edition na say maiden edition a ma under 20 crew akensi kese no wafu bi yetimi ede atentam so bibia metwem de a na je say Saturday May 20th enkopem Saturday June 4th 2023 ana sajumede kese ebetian Santo Fem coach si Bazigi a che kwankon nam so ede emai fam se be betian boa na enkurimdie ai Ghana de
not disappointing Ghanaians. Think of living up to expectations. So that's why initially I said I have set target for myself. Even without FA telling me this is your target. I have already set the target since we were tasked to host the tournament. So that I'll work by that. And that is what is going to urge me on to work very hard. So for that one, yes, pressure is part of the game. However, that pressure will not overcome what I'm supposed to do. I will use it as a guide to work towards achieving our target. This time round, I will say that all the countries are doing well. You can't underrate or underestimate any country. So, in as much as we all know Ghanaians, we have the talent, there is more to it than that. For me, I don't look at it from that angle. I look at it from players with character, players with insight, so that with them you can achieve. If you look at excuse me to say, they are training horses. You see them at training, they are perfect. You use them at tension matches or crucial matches, they will disappoint you. So for me, I am looking at it from that angle. That is where you can get the best out of the best.
And so coach Yusuf Bazigi on the kita the female under 20 side omode akensi efense wafu bi girls nations championship no betin atentam so Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium we Ghana first game any Benin for and the betin tam so no be on the 20th of May no and asa opening game no betin start of we Benin for na se we na nyama besi akwa na se Cote d'Ivoire for and so betete nkwanche achen second game a e betimi e atentam so no group A ana e betimi e seconds kese na etian saba Yusuf Bazigi ehwe nim se kwan bia so no obetin blend a new place, new old place. Now for experience one some betian boa a message within Ghana. Ya in host and win. We betian saboa ma Ghana so FIFA under 20 World Cup no so yet me Ediani Etian Sanchez a Kobasi dim kunim our surgery moi. If you unfair in Chilen Crafu from dia, there's a Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, and so HSA, a month for Becca, yɛde ɛyɛ nhyehyɛ sonko etime sagu akwam sɛ betime si 10 multi-purpose stadiums sabre no na Ghana ɛwɔ 10 ɛyɛ regions sɛ 16 regions but 10 football regions ana nei yɛka no na ukoma mpemfo kyɛ sɛ saa ɛyɛ dwumadi no ɔno abo Isaac Kwame Siama ɔntine wie tene afi na ɛyɛ Yusuf Mustafa ɛhwɛ nim sɛ kwabia so betia praprachi ɔse ukɔ ɛyɛ miamia hodo makoma ba sidu na asaka kakra bi na wie enche bia no ombe bia no amamanfo enya ho faso.
There, I was with the president and we visited our facility. The first phase, I'm told, is completed, and the second phase contractor is being prepared to come and go on. So work is going to be completed on the Yendi Youth Resource Center, and the Yida Youth Resource Center is a part of the 10 youth resource centers that we are doing. Currently, when you go to Kofodia, Adaklu, you go to Azim, you go to Dunkofen, all these facilities are being worked on. And why? So once these first 5 of them, the second phases are done, the next 5 second phase will also be worked on and they will be put into good use.
Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, Minister for Youth and Sports, and the Western Nema Asia Cosno de Akufodia, and Makujina, or Airshad himself can be as nominated Shaudua, 18 certain times, no, a bit me about Chibiano, a month for Ebinya, a year multi-purpose air stadium and a facility in home for so, Ghana Memha. Yet the niche board chairman of Ayakwando out of Lance, the pride of Igbe, the Boboleji boys, almost so Kachidia, there's a board chairman, any Erikutoche, also the Kumoha Cretan Sabanas, more can say, one more Airshad himself can be as no, or ebet me about Premier League ye na afa amafo ehun mo kwanso nkoso o mdwumadi a omudin standards ne de omgini pass omo na omo esan beto aso biu.
About 2,000 seating capacity for the venue to be qualified for premiership, and that will start immediately at the first phase. We are putting out 5,000 seating capacity, and all the VIP and all that is needed for the venue to qualify for the premiership. We are supposed to get about 2,000 seating capacity for the venue to be qualified for premier.
Nti ukuma nese Eric Kutoche ono ana board chairman the Makpando out of Lance Bobo Kuno, but Dr. Randy Abbey ana owner of Ayakpando out of Lance omo chese mo hwanim se ombe prapprechiri kama na omagopo na meeting standards ebeti aboa na ye start Premier League na say they ma qualify from Division 1 omo eba Premier League next season amafo be hu the pride of Igbe so omginem na omo boa ema niema atoto ye e dia mom niema de prapra adwade kra no assistant coach of Kumasi Kemfasa friend say Gordon Ablode former player osi akan de Macras folk MTN FA Cup no sabre no otimi edi nkunim ho osan si akan de makotoko eno so otimi eboa mamudi nkunim e MTN FA Cup no osan tran kotoko bench as a coach ema otimi esan de nkunim enei obepiem wo Kumasi Kemfasa manfo asemo mo kan say Gordon Ablode asudi dan so se no ye no has ene kotoko na for be 10 ka man so otimi boa ema kotoko etimi pija frank ne gina kunkon no so the same thing ema Kumasi Kemfasa nkomo a apiem de afa Kumasi Kemfasa won say wo at the 17th on the league log our Ghana Premier League no so na uhwema 4 matches remaining saying ananema besi akọ ediamom.
We have to win if we want to be in the Premier League. This is our home game. We have to win and stay in the Premier League. This is our game. So it depends on us. All is, we and the players, we are going to make sure, train hard, and make sure that we stay in the Premier League. We have to win against Samates. It's a must win. We have to win if we want to be in the Premier League. This is our home game. We have to win and stay in the Premier League. This is our game. So it depends on us. All is, we and the players, we are going to make sure, train hard.
It's a Gordon Ablode, assistant coach. Edema Kumasi Kemfasa Ignatius Osefusu and the head coach Obama Niama Etian Kwebato say must win Edema Omne Samate Sebi Ombetia Cup Premier League nim MTN Cup Media Oma qualify for the grand finale of the Dreams Football Club and their case in Ebetia 10 times. So we do see na madawase na ma chelpi nyame atoma ye besen shebi na mum ansa na mekono chensomam say 1xbet in the church Jeffas mixture enso e de Jeffas edu tatahwi infections edu ebo echidom emele dwumadi ebro na fe sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye ka ya odie de edu to asisi home boa prapra harawa no mebo ho ema otimidi nchiniche okotema me market ansa be ka bia shama so wode wani chirima ansa betimi aka bi se otu akoton anasa wotode ye ho no ye be hwa boa ema onsa atimi aka bi wemu ene sponsors ne mu etuturu to ne twetwetwa umeta achiri boa emena no penso dia wo kensi mu sempa ensa kan etimi jao within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace. Agudi catch back up na mjinemu. And of course, evidence-based presentation to me jao. Rather entering anymore on your case, only if baby that swini and found call baby that so the act of being a good guest is to know how to say goodbye.